Hey guys, what's going on? It's Rekt Capital and welcome back to the Rekt Capital channel, and let's try something different in today's episode. Let's have a look at episode number 1 of the brand new series, Who Will Win, where I compare two altcoins for you guys, two altcoins of your choosing. And in today's episode, we're going to be comparing reserve rights, RSR versus Zilliqa, ZIL. We're going to be comparing these two just to gain an idea, gain some insight into which is the better coin in terms of the gains it could potentially make. So let's dive into the video. Of course, if you like the idea of a brand new series like this, and of course subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Let's dive into RSR. RSR at the moment is reclaiming a previous resistance as a new support. So you saw a very strong rejection from here before, a rejection over here, but this was a much shallower rejection. So you're actually seeing that people are running out of steam in terms of seller pressure here, seller strength, which has actually translated into this area becoming a new support. So before we saw sell side pressure, sell side strength, now it's actually turning into an area of buy side support. And we're actually curling away from this price level after a period of sideways price action. And in fact, we could even conceptualize this area as a bull flag, a flagging structure that we're actually retesting as a support, and a successful retest will enable further upside appreciation. But at the moment we are at this area of significant resistance, but this is the only major resistance area before further upside and actual price discovery for RSR, with of course one level of resistance being here, the new all-time high. So break past this area, successfully retest this flag, and we're probably going to see a challenge, a break past this area of resistance, this red area, to revisit the all-time highs, and that will be a challenge for price discovery. Very interesting, very interesting. What do you guys think so far about RSR? Because now we're going to be looking at Link, and Link has formed a multi-year macro reversal formation. This is essentially an entire U-shaped reversal, and when we see U-shaped reversals on a price chart, that is a typically bullish sign. And if we're seeing this on a macro scale, a multi-year U-shaped reversal, this is a tremendously bullish sign. And in fact, we've just seen Zilliqa break past this area of resistance, the top of this U-shaped reversal, this U-shaped formation. And if we zoom into the lower time frames, you can actually see that we're testing this level as a new support. So we are on the cusp of confirming a breakout from this multi-year U-shaped reversal. So a good way to think about this U-shaped reversal is that this was essentially a accumulation range, which will precede whatever upside we will see from Zilliqa once we actually fully confirm and validate this formation. So once we actually do that, and we are in the process of doing that in fact, once we confirm a breakout from here, what potentially lies ahead? These two resistances, of course, this final all-time high resistance. So really interesting upside, but of course a few resistances ahead. So we are in the process of retesting this. We do have 2 and 3 resistances ahead, but once we break this resistance area over here, we will only contend with this level of resistance, the old all-time high, before challenging for a price discovery. So having said that, which is the better setup? Is it Zilliqa or is it RSR? RSR has only this major resistance to break before revisiting and equaling those new all-time highs, before breaking into price discovery, where sky is theoretically the limit. Zilliqa, on the other hand, has a very interesting market structure developing here, a multi-year U-shaped reversal on the cusp of breaking out, potentially confirming this breakout right now, with a few key resistances ahead of it before that price discovery. So which is the better coin for maximum profit potential. Let me know in the comments down below, and of course, if you enjoyed this video, feel free to like for more videos like this in the future. This could potentially be the beginning of a new series of who will win, where I compare 2 altcoins for you guys, 2 altcoins of your choosing. So if you're interested in this brand new series, feel free to comment 2 altcoins that you'd like to see in the next video of this series. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already for more videos like this in the future. I'm Rekt Capital, and I'll speak to you in the next one. Speak to you soon.